Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this recap video I'm going to walk you through a couple of the positions that we actually just put on the futures side of our spreadsheet. Yesterday we got a fill on crude. Love the fill that we got. That 50.45 gives us a lot of latitude while this market kind of sits in our overbought range. You know, one of the things that people asked me about from yesterday's webinar, and probably the thing that stood out the most because it's something new on my charts. It's really not new. I've been testing it in different ways for quite some time. But, you know, what are these dots? What are they here to tell you? You know, etc. And nothing is foolproof, gang. But what I'm looking for is the combination of dots and colors. This is not an ideal combination. This is, okay? This, not an ideal combination. And it's a matter of understanding what the grab candles plus the dots are saying. There's no dots here. There's something missing, right? So I'm not going to expect momentum. So the fear is if you fade something, if you're expecting movement to the downside, is there momentum behind the move? Therefore, is there a higher chance that we're going to break up through it? Now, I can go across a number of markets that I'm short in, and you know, I have a little bit more confidence that the levels will hold because of different factors, and the dots being one of them. You know, here I like the fact that we're going to hold better because of the 52-week high not having been broken. We hit our profit target here. So why am I showing you these? Because crude oil is not that different. Same type of setup. What happens when we reach an overbought level? What are the clues that we could exhaust, and what don't I want to see as much as what do I want to see? Now, those choppy entries are very different than the gold buy that we have. The gold buy does have propulsion. The gold buy does have green grab candles. The gold buy does have the right 12 to 2 o'clock angle. So when the market pulls back, I do have a lot more confirmation with all the tools that I like. If I had a Darvis, you know, if we test this Darvis area right here, this is our conservative order. If you take a look at the spreadsheet in the members area, you'll notice this pretty much is where that conservative level is that we want to get long from. And again, you can also see why everything about the setup is darn near automated once you understand what the colors are telling you. And that's what I love about it, and that's why I call it, it's the, you know, it's how you hack, you know, 30 years of experience trading with just what amounts to 3 indicators. Okay, and that's really what's so exciting about it. All right, so yes, we have the crude oil short, and again, it's very reminiscent of what we did with the NAS. That one hit profits yesterday, and in the premium video I'm going to walk you guys through some of the action that we're getting on the currency side of things, some of the other markets on the futures side like bonds that have my attention, what happened with commitment of traders today in terms of euro and yen positions. So we'll talk about that in the premium video, as well as I'm going to talk a bit about Bitcoin, because one of the things we have now on our trading view charts, let me take you on over there we go. One of the things we now have on the trading view charts are my indicators. So take a peek. Darvis, this is the Darvis 2.0 study. This is not your traditional Darvis. This is Darvis better, 2.0 Darvis now on the chart. I've got my propulsion here on the chart, as well as the good old grab candle. So we'll talk about Bitcoin in the premium video too. Have a great weekend. I'll catch you in the next update.